Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for April 24th, 2024. Got a lot of movement going on. Always got something happening in real estate. Closings happen every day. Active available inventory. We're seeing about 343 homes available, up 5% week over week, up 23% year over year. But we're showing the demand more in new listings are up 9%. So it means that still the demand's out there to strip them from the market as soon as they're listed, because we've got to watch. The big thing is when we see inventory increasing is when demand is dropping, and we're not seeing that. We've been waiting for years. We've been in this extreme seller's market. We're still in it. We've got just under a month's inventory right now, which means if no new homes are listed in a month, we'd be out of homes to sell. Still got an average of about 6.3 buyers per listing. New listings were also up 34% year over year. Solds this week came in down 18% week over week, up just less than 1% year over year. Pendings came in down just under 1%. Week over week, down 10% year over year. Median sale price came in at $237,500, showing about 10% appreciation over last year's median sale price at this time. But that's online for the annual. I'm looking at the annual here on my chart. We've been averaging about $235,000 median sale price all year long. Days on market showed a speed up on the average, but a slowdown on the median. Came in at 28 average days on market, 3 median, versus last year we were at 19 and 4. So a little bit slower on the average, but the median's quicker. And I think the median is more indicative of what we're really seeing in the market, because if a home's priced right, it's going to sell in days in this market. We've still got that strong of demand. And homes sold came in at, over the last 12 months, came in at 4,294. Still trying to get back to that 5,000 we've been averaging for about a decade. Versus last year at this time, we were at 4,851. And remember, last year was a housing recession. We were down. We're still down about 11.4% versus last year right now, but it's on the rise. So we think that's going to level out by the end of the year, and we think we're going to be at least flat with last year, if not a few more homes sold than last year. So it'll still be a little bit of a down year, but we think it's going to be up from last. So feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions, or you think we can do anything to add to this. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.